Hello guys, and welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video I will be sharing with you 5 minute strategy for trading. Okay, you're going to learn how you can pick up your trading signal within 5 minutes time frame, and of course how you can trade your assets successfully without any hiccups. All you need to do is just to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Okay, and for those of you that are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So quickly, like I said earlier on, we will be looking at 5 minute strategy for trading some of these assets. Okay, but before we go fully into that, let me quickly take us to Jamboard so that I will be able to explain one or two things to us so that we will understand how to go about it. Okay, there are a few things that we need to learn before we can apply some of these strategies. Of course, strategies are meant to make trading very easy for you. Okay, it gives you what to look out for whenever you are trading. So that is why it is always important to understand the exact strategy you are using before you go fully into it. Okay, these are some of the things you should look out for whenever you are trading using this strategy. The very first thing, like I always tell you, is for you to understand the strategy you are using, and the next thing, which is very important, is the trend. Okay, once you understand the trend, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully, because all you need to do is to follow the signal that supports the trend. It is as easy as that. All you need to do is to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, so once you are sure of the trend, and there is one thing you need to know: you don't go against the trend, you don't trade against the trend. Most especially if you are a newbie, you don't trade against the trend. When you trade against the trend, then you are taking too much risk. At that particular point, you are most likely to lose your capital, your trading capital, at that particular point. So you can give yourself some time for you to be in the right trend, and also for you to have the right signal to go into a trade. Okay, this is very important. So, and the next thing you should also know is your support and your resistance region. Okay, once you know your support and your resistance region, this will help you to know when to go into the market, your entry point and your exit point. Okay, it will help you to know your entry point and your exit points. Okay, that is very important. Once you know these two, I mean all these, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. So this is the formula to successful trading strategy. Okay, this is the formula to successful trading strategy, because this is what will give you profits at the end of the day. So let's go straight into the chart to see how we can take advantage of all this trading within, I mean using this 5 minute trading strategy. Okay, this is on the chart, and the first thing you need to do, you just need to follow the simple instruction I will be dishing out in this video. Okay, if you do so, you will understand how to go about it, and you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you set up your charts on 5 minutes, and then you have a setup like this or something similar to this, or something that can perform the same function with this on your chart. Okay, you can have it on all your indices like boom and crash 1500 and 300. Okay, they all follow the same strategies. Okay, so that is it. So once you have them on your chart like this, I mean once you have the setup on your chart, take it down to 5 minute time frame. Then on your 5 minute time frame, the next thing you need to look out for is your trend, okay? And it is very easy for you to do in case you don't know how to identify the exact trend which you are at that particular point. All you need to do is just to check out, if you are having a setup like this, check out the last part right here. It's going to show you the trend of the market at that particular point. The green shows the uptrend while the red shows the downtrend, okay? And it shows the general trend. This shows the immediate trend, but let's focus more on this because this will be more stronger and it will give us a stronger signal at that particular point, okay? Then you should understand the right trend to trade each of these assets. For instance, you are not trading spikes in boom and crash, you want to trade the normal trend, then you should know that you shouldn't trade crash, you shouldn't buy crash when crash is on downtrend, and you shouldn't sell boom when boom is on uptrend, okay? So all these are very, very important so that you won't lose your money at the end of the day. So for crash, okay, this is crash 1000. Let's see how we can go about it. You can see that this is coming from a support zone, so we got a buy signal. All you just need to do is to follow the right signal that supports the trend. So we got a buy signal right there, and the buy signal is supporting the uptrend, okay? And that is all you just need to do in order to milk the market successfully. So you come in around here and pick up your 5 to 10 minute candles, which should be cool enough at that particular point. So each time you have your buy signal like this is the first strategy you should understand. You can come in and pick up your 5 to 10 minute candles, then you exit the market. You wait for another opportunity, you come in again, pick up your 5 to 10 minute candles, then you exit the market, then you wait for another again. So you can always do this over and over. By the time you are picking, like, I mean, having a trade about 5 trading sessions like this, you would have achieved your trading, I mean your daily targets, okay? You would have achieved your daily target, and this is very easy to achieve, most especially right now that we are having 6 different assets to trade. So if you are applying this strategy on these 6 different assets, then definitely you will be having a trading period, and within a short period you should be achieving your daily target at that particular point, okay, within a short period. So you can always do this over and over. You can see so far you are within the right trend. You will always have a trading period which you can trade, okay? You will always have a free period which you can use to trade, just the way you are saying right here. And during those periods you hardly see spikes happening around there, okay? And even a single spike cannot claim the whole of the 5 minutes candle, okay? It's not possible. So definitely that makes it very, very difficult for a single spike to wipe off your account. So before it will even get to you, you would have closed your market at that particular point. So this is as easy as this. So guys, I'm going to say more about this and even teach you how you can apply the second strategy of this in my next video. So I want you to understand every part of this particular video. Make sure you practice it, make sure you put them into practice and milk the market successfully. Try them out today, most especially on your demo account, and let's see how much you are able to make at the end of the day. So for now, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.